Hey there, welcome to BrowserHow. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view and clear the browsing history in Chrome app on your computer. So launch your Chrome browser, and within the Chrome browser, you can select this three dot options, and here, if you scroll in the menu options, you will have this history. So you can choose this first option which says history, and it will display list of all the browsing history that you have done today and even in the past. So if you want to clear the browsing history, what you can do is you can individually select this history and select remove from history, or even if you can search for a website name, say suppose I want to delete the history for the Wikipedia, then I can just choose search for Wikipedia, and it will display the list of all the websites, and I can choose to delete. Now similarly, if I just enter BrowserHow, it will display all the matching results, and then I can choose this checkbox, and then I can hit on delete. So this is one way. And if you want to delete entire browsing history, you can just choose this clear browsing data option, and from here within the basic tab or even on the advanced tab, you can just uncheck all other options and just enable this option for browsing history and hit on clear data. Before that, you can choose the time range, from what time range you want to delete. You can choose all time and then select that option and then hit on delete data, which will clear all the history. Now if I go back to the history and just refresh this Chrome history URL, and you would be see there are no browsing history. So in this way you can view and clear the browsing history in your Chrome app on your computer. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Cheers.